Greetings. How do you prepare yourself to take the HVAC Master's License Bypass Test? After doing some research online, it was very difficult for me to find somebody or someone to give me some aid or guidance into what to prepare myself for in taking this HVAC Master's Bypass Test. So hopefully this video can help somebody out there to help prepare them a little better than I was. This right here is a specification sheet that they send out for NCCER, and on the specification sheet it actually shows you the books that you need and also the chapters that you need to study in order to prepare yourself for the test. Now, I didn't pay any attention to this in the beginning. I actually just went ahead and read my regular HVAC books that I had in the past after going to school. The result after I went ahead and took the test, I ended up failing. I got a 60 on the test. You need a 70. But what I've done is that I highlighted the area and the field that I needed help in. As you see, this area and this area are some of the area that I needed some help in. So what I did, I ordered the books online. And these are the books that I ordered online. I called up customer service. I was able to speak with somebody, and they ended up sending me some of the books. One of the books was actually on a back order. This was a level 3 chapter edition 3 book. I got this offline. I got the annotated instructor guide version because they didn't have the trainee guide version, which was very even more helpful, because difference is this one actually has the questions and answers in them. What I've noticed is that the first time I took the test now, I try to remember some of the questions that was on it, and I highlighted them and studied them, which was in the books. Some of the questions that I noticed that was on the question that was repetitive the second time I went around was Ohm's law, finding power, load calculation was on there, EPA regulation, zeotropic blends, sensible heat, latent heat, boiler, burner questions, a lot of some of the fan curve calculation, and also the psychrometric chart. So this is my new answer sheet. I got 75 when I took it again. And so yeah, so those are some of the questions. That's going to be on the test. Some of them are redundant. I noticed that when I took the test again, a lot of the questions that was on the first test was not on the second test. So just be advised, you went ahead and take the test over. When you go back and take it again, don't be surprised that you're not going to get the same questions. But some questions are repetitive. The ones I just mentioned, they're very repetitive. In the next time I went ahead and take the test over again. So hopefully this can help you and aid somebody out there along the way. So what I'll do first, once again, I'll get the books if I was you and study the chapters that they ask you to. Or if you're like me, you could just go ahead and take the test. Come back, highlight where you got wrong, and get the books, or study the area from your previous books, and hopefully sharpen yourself up, and then come back again and take the test. So hopefully this video can help you. Take care.